The amount A after 2 years due to a principal P, which is the initial amount, invested at an annual interest rate R compounded continuously is given by the formula A equals PE raised to the RT. So we're going to find the investment amount for each question given the information. So let's start off with what we know. $100 invested at 4% compounded continuously after a period of 2 years. So we know we have a principal amount, an initial amount of $100 compounded at a rate of 4% that we cannot use the percent. We have to convert it to a decimal, so we must convert 4% to a decimal by dividing it by 100. So we're going to get 0.04, and the period of time is 2 years. So that's all we really need to know. So now we can take what we know and put it into our compounded continuously formula. So A equals 100 e to the 0.04 times 2. And here, just use your calculator. Make it very easy on yourself. So that's what we're going to do. So we're going to plug what we have written in. So it's going to be 100 second ln for e raised to 0.04 times 2. Close, and we get an answer of $108.33. So an amount of $108.33. So when you're working with money, unless specified otherwise, you should round it to the nearest cent or the second decimal place. Here we have $50 invested at 6% compounded continuously after a period of 3 years. So let's write what we know. We have a principal amount, an initial amount of $50, a rate of 6% that we cannot use, so we divide 6 by 100 and we get 0.06 is what we do use, and a time of 3 years. So we have everything we need, so we plug it into our formula, which will be A equals 50e to the 0.06 times 3. And now that we got everything written out, we can just type it in. So we're going to get 50 second ln for e, 0.06 times 3. We hit enter, and we're going to get $59.86. So $59.86. Last, we have $600 invested at 5% compounded continuously after a period of 3 years. Again, we start off with what we know. A principal amount we start off with of $600. We have a rate of 5%, so we can say it's 0.05. And a period of 3 years has passed. Again, like the other two, we just plug it all in. So A equals 600 e to the 0.05 times 3. And just like with the others, we're just going to plug it straight in and get an answer. So 600 second ln 0.05 times 3. And what do we get? $697.10. So $697.10 is how much we get after we invested this much money into the account.